The economist we are doing is Gary Becker. Gary Becker was born December 2nd, 1930, in Pottsville, Pennsylvania, USA. Gary Becker attended several institutions. He attended the University of Chicago from 1968 to 2014. He also attended Columbia University in 1957 and 1968. He also taught in these schools. Gary Becker taught the Chicago School of Economics. He's an alma mater at Princeton University, and he also taught in the University of Chicago. He was influenced by Milton Friedman, H. Greg Lewis, and Theodore Schultz. But he influenced Reuben Granau, Roland G. Fryer Jr., and David O. Metzler. Becker was one of the first economists to branch into what we traditionally consider topics belonging to sociology, including racial discrimination, crime and family organization, and drug addiction. He was also known for arguing that many different types of human behavior can be seen as national and utility maximizing. His approach included altruistic behavior of humans behaving by defining individuals' utility approximately. He was also among the foremost exponents of the study of human capital. Becker is also credited with the rotten kid theorem. All of this led to many of his contributions. This is why he was given a Nobel Prize. Now, let's talk about Gary Becker's famous rotten kid theorem. Becker paints a hypothetical situation in which children will receive gifts of money, income from a wealthy, altruistic parent in order to make them happy. One of the children is selfish, rotten child who will take pleasure in harming his siblings. However, if he chose to actually hurt his sibling, the parent would help the victim and curtail help the wrongdoer. That way, they would function as means of transferring utilities between the rotten kid and his siblings. In the process, the parent would also bring about an incentive not to wrong the sibling in the first place, because any utility robbed of the sibling would automatically be taken away from the rotten kid. Gary Becker died May 3rd, 2014, at the age of 83, in Chicago, Illinois, in the USA. Now, although he is dead, that doesn't mean he did not contribute to this field of economics. He's done such as analyze of human capital, rotten kid theorem, the awards of John Bates Clark Medal, he received that in 1967, the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1992, the Pontifical Academy of Sciences in 1997, the National Medal of Science in 2000, and John von Neumann Award in 2004. And last but not least, he received the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2007. Gary Becker was a great economist.